Good morning, guys. Right, where are we going today, Thomas?
We are going to the beach.
Yay, we've got all our stuff ready. You excited?
Yep.
It's a sunny day today.
Yep.
Let's go. Hey, everybody.
Hi.
Where are we going now?
To the beach.
We're on our way to the beach. We just hope there's parking. We're quite early though. It's only 9:30, so...
Yeah, we're just going on the motorway right now.
Okay. Here we go. See you at the beach.
Bye. Bye.
We've arrived at the beach. We're playing frisbee. We've set up a bit of a camp. Super busy though. What, Felix?
I love you.
I love you too, Sandy face. I think we'll be taking off the beach home with you, won't we?
Yeah.
You're on a picnic.
We're having a busy day at the beach.